Good afternoon! Welcome back to my channel. This afternoon, I just received this parcel that I ordered online. This is tripod with mini ring light. Before unboxing this parcel, I want you to first subscribe in my YouTube channel.
Alright, are you ready? Are you excited? Okay, let's unbox!
Okay, so I am so much excited. Of course, sulit kaya ang ating binayad, no? Alright, so let's find out. So first, of course, we have a scissor, a pair of scissors. And then, the first thing to do is, of course, kakat natin yung packaging tape. Alright. Sulit kaya ang ating binayad. I'm so much excited. Okay. Balot na balot yung ating parcel. Hoping na walang damage ang ating product. So ito yung tripod stand. Okay, so tatanggalin muna natin yung packaging tape.
Okay, so malapit na tayo, no? So, i-remove na natin itong plastic wrap. Tadaan! Oh. Right, let's open. Okay, ito na yung ating tripod stand. Wow.
Yes, okay naman pala, hindi naman pala siya sira. Okay. Alright. Next, ito naman yung free selfie ring light. Okay, so perfect for your selfie. Let's unbox this one. Okay, ganito pala. Alright, so cute. Of course, this is for free. Included in the package. Okay, lastly, i-unbox natin itong spherical dome. Wow! Safety and stability, supply, multiple light sources, and portable design. Let's unbox. Charan! Okay, safe naman pala. Hindi naman pala dami. Very good. Ating spoiler. Ang gunseng. Ang gunseng. Stop natin muna.
So, complete lahat. Okay, so now we are ready to assemble.
And we're done. Okay, so ito na po. With ring light. Okay, we're done. Ring light. One. Okay. Picture na lang to.